Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to trim sounds on TikTok. First, go to your TikTok app. Trimming sounds for your TikTok uploads is easy, so just follow me. And from here, you just click the plus icon or the upload icon. And you will see from the top of your screen the add sound. So basically, you have to choose a song that fits your mood. So when you have selected the song, go and click the title above. And you will see a scissor logo at the bottom of your screen. So there you have it. You can now just add the time to trim the song you wanted. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe.